and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Let's face it, if you're doing anything online, you need a secured cloud storage platform to store, manage, and share your business files at a single place. Whether you're an e-com business owner, an email marketer, an affiliate marketer, a product creator, a SaaS owner, a webinar presenter, an info product owner, or anyone else working in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of having a trustable cloud storage platform at any cost. So if you're too sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions to cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc., which have tons of limitations and restrictions, who don't understand your business and block the growth of your business, or if you're blocking the growth of your own business and not using cloud storage due to monthly charging services, then I've got some great news for you today. Introducing Prime Cloud AI. Next generation Google Drive killer technology lets you store, backup, share, and host unlimited files, images, videos, and audios in the cloud at lightning fast speed for an unbeatable one-time price. Prime Cloud AI saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud storage fees while providing a better, faster, more marketer-friendly service than Google Drive or Dropbox. And Prime Cloud AI is the only platform that allows you to upload and manage unlimited video, images, audios, and documents in seconds, back up all your files so you will never have fear of losing them ever again. Revolutionary compression algorithm makes upload and download super fast and storage a breeze. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms forever. Get started with your storage journey at the lowest one-time cost. Doubles up as a cloud drive for easy use and collaboration. Auto storage expansion as per usage. One-click third-party sharing enabled. 100% protection of data with free end-to-end SSL encryption, keeping your website graphics, videos, and data secure using our super hosting feature. Directly deliver content from the cloud on the website. Designed to perfection for beginners to make instant profits. Limited time commercial license included to provide high in-demand services to hungry clients. No recurring fee or success tax, and a lot more. All this and more for a low one-time fee. When you have Prime Cloud AI, next generation cloud storage platform, no monthly subscription plans, no restriction or limitation on uploading files, no limitations on any number of files you upload, no fear of account suspension. And here's the coolest part, you're also getting a limited time commercial license to provide red-hot services to hungry business owners and charging reoccurring fees for your services. Finally, you can say goodbye to all money-sucking third-party cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive Cloud, etc. once and for all. Along with this, there are no hassles like paying huge monthly subscription plans, facing restriction or limitation on uploading files, losing data while uploading or downloading, having limitations on any number of files you upload, worrying about the fear of account suspension. Using Prime Cloud AI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, log in. Step 2, upload documents. Step 3, share, publish, and profit. Prime Cloud AI is designed for anyone who likes to be in full control of their files and videos, but at the same time hates complicated software. It's for you if you simply don't want to pay extra for storage, extra data, want to build something uncomplicated which grows and makes you more and more as it does. It's for you if you're sick and tired of paying monthly subscriptions for storage and hosting platforms in return for mediocre support and massive downtimes. Take my word, if you're tired of going nowhere and want to take complete control of your business, if you're conscious of losing your valuable data, then Prime Cloud AI is happy ending for your constant search. But I'm sure all these benefits will have left you amazed. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting your money and time and tools that simply don't work as. Your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, and we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period gets over, Prime Cloud AI will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab Prime Cloud AI today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck and see you on the inside.